Clones, open up!
Yes.
Everybody,
Come on, mga Dabber.
put
Come
your
on,
hands
come
up
on.
in the air, Dabber Cats. Come on. Woohoo!
Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away.
This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special.
One hit and one shot.
I keep my distance.
You still catch my eye. Tell me, baby, do you recognize me? It's me. It doesn't surprise me.
Surprise.
Happy Christmas, I wrap it up and send it with a note saying, I love you, I meant it.
Now I know what a fool I've been, but if you kiss me now, I know you'd fool me again. Last
Come on, everybody.
Christmas, I gave you my
Put your hands
heart.
up in the air.
The very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I give it to someone special.
Hey! Simulan na natin ang kantahan na may instant pa premyo.
Send in the clone! Mga Dabber Cats, let's welcome ang clone ni Steve Perry!
After all these years, you stood by me in days and nights that I was gone. After all these years, you sacrificed, believed in me, and you stood strong. 'Cause with our love, there's nothing left to fear. After all these years.
Send in the clone! Let's welcome ang clone ni Basil Valdez!
Kung sadyang siya lang ang iyong mahal, saan mo ako'y hindi hadlang habang ikaw ay maligaya, ako'y maghihintay maging hanggang sa dulo ng walang hanggan.
Send in the clones! Ito na ang clone ni Michael Bolton! Woo!
You don't know what it's like, baby. You don't know what it's like to love somebody, the way I love you.
Dabber Cats, the Clones.
We love you, Team Studio. At dahil mahal namin kayo, pwede kayo manalo ang ilan dyan ng tape na hawak ng mga Dabber Cats natin. Si Miles, si Raisa, si Karen. Good luck! Hataw!
Eto na, maghahanap na tayo ng unang-una nating VIP!
Here we go! Let's go, Team Studio!
Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, you saved me from tears.
Ayun na! Come on
Saan yung
down!
beautiful girl na yun?
Hi! Ay! Come on.
Anong pangalan, ate?
Marjorie po.
Marjorie! Taga saan ka, Marjorie?
Binangonan, Rizal.
Binangonan. Ilan kayo napunta rito?
Actually, 6 kami ngayon. 3 na lang kami.
Basta, nakulong sa CR yung tatlo.
Ewan ko. So, ano ginawa nila?
Inaabot ng
Sayang
commercial.
naman.
Oo. Ano pinagkakaabalahan, Marjorie?
Housewife lang po.
Oh, huwag mo ilalang ang
Pakahirap
housewife.
Ang hirap na trabaho niyan.
Opo, sobra.
Ilan po mga anak nyo?
Dalawa na po.
The left and the
Isang
right.
8 years old, tsaka isang 1 year old.
Shout out.
Iniwanan niyo sa bahay?
Yes.
Ba, ihahandogan mo ng kanta yung mga
Ay,
baby.
Yes.
Sige po.
Ayan, anong kanta yan?
Carpenters na lang po.
Anong kanta? You. Okay.
Okay.
Sorry po.
Sabi niya, anong title nun? You are the one. You, title naman.
Ah, by the Carpenters.
You
Ito, si
are the
Mami
one.
Marjorie ng Binangonan, Rizal. Forward.
What am I so? My inspiration, just like the old love song goes. You are one of the few things worth remembering. And since it's all true, how could anyone mean more to me than you?
Wow naman.
Thank you po.
Natin natin, Marjorie. Simulan na natin ang
Game 1!
A or B. Mga Dabarkads, ito na yung isa sa ating mapapanood sa Santa Clones Are Coming to Town. June Ryle Kiambao, the clone of Steve Perry.
Excited ka na ba?
Excited?
Yes, of course. At 7 days na lang po. Yan, kita-kita ko po tayo sa Music Museum. Santa Claus is Coming to Town.
December 3.
December 3, directed by Ay Sigera. Yan, maraming salamat po. Kita-kita po tayo doon, Dabarkads.
Eto na siya.
Bells will be ringing. Glad, glad news. Oh, what a Christmas to have the blues. My baby's gone. I have no friends to wish me greetings. Ooh, once again. Choirs will be singing Silent Night. Those Christmas carols by candlelight. Please come home for Christmas. Please come home for Christmas. If not for Christmas, by New Year's night. Friends and relations send salutations. Sure as the stars shine above. So this is Christmas. It's Christmas night, dear. The time of year to be with the one that you love. So won't you tell me you'll never wrong? Christmas and New Year will find you home. There'll be no more sorrow, no grief or pain. 'Cause this is Christmas once again.
Marjorie,
Yes po.
sana napakinggan mo mabuti yung letra. Sabi, A or B? Sabi sa kantang Please Come Home for Christmas, choirs will be singing blank. A, Silent Night, or B, White Christmas. A or B, 10 seconds to decide. Timer starts now.
Punta siya ng
saan ka
game,
pupunta?
bossing.
Mamalan, Silent Night ba yung sinabi? Di ba White Christmas?
Bakit sa A?
Nakarinig
Silent
ko parang
Night.
White Christmas.
Uy. Sa Santa!
Binanindigan, bossing eh.
Silent Night. Check or X?
Hello? Nangula ka ba, ate?
Nanghula po kayo.
Marjorie!
Ang Pasko.
Tama nga.
Silent Night.
Okay,
Hey.
okay. Pili ka
Pili po kayo
ngayon
ng tip.
Pili ka ngayon ng tip.
Hey, Miles po.
Miles, si Riza, or Karen?
Huwag mong buksan. Para alam na alam niyo na yung gagawin, no?
Siyempre, legit
Galing.
Dabber Cats yun.
Pili tayo ng ganun din kagaling na VIP! I gave you my heart, but the very
Come on, Dabber Cats.
next day, you gave it away. This year, you saved me from tears. Sino yan?
Walang kamalay-malay.
Yay! Liga po, tita.
Sa taas, sa taas. Ano yung nakasulat sa t-shirt nila?
Parang sa
SJN. Liga po.
SJN Parish.
Ooh.
Saan yan, ang SJN Parish?
Malibay, Pasay po.
Pasay,
Ano po pangalan
Malibay.
San Juan de Pomosino, Paris Church.
Okay, ano pangalan mo?
Veronica Caniel.
Veronica. May asawa?
Yes.
May anak?
Dalawa.
Very good. Ano trabaho mo?
Full-time mother po.
Ay,
full-time.
Aba, teka, labanan ng mga
Full-time
household at
mother.
full-time mom.
Yes.
Part-time Zumba. Zumba.
Pag ganyan niya, magaling kumanta si full-time mommy.
Oo naman.
I'm sure. Sa bahay lang yan eh. Dalawa yung kinantahan para matulog eh. Ano kakantahin mo?
Actually, wala akong memorize na kanta, pero
Okay
kanta
lang.
ako.
Ano?
Ibong Ligaw.
Oh?
Ibong Ligaw.
Sinong nakakita?
Parang wala yatang may memorize talaga nun.
Parang ikaw nga lang nakakaalam. Kantahin mo, susundan ka ng
O
banda.
kaya,
Ibong
Rivers
Ligaw.
of Babylon.
Ano? Rivers of Babylon?
Ah.
Hoy! Ano? Rivers of Babylon.
Kaya.
By the rivers of Babylon.
The waves are down. Yeah,
Hindi nyo pa memorize yan.
and I remember
Napilitan pa siya.
Zion.
By the rivers of
of Babylon.
Nasaan po yung Ibon Ligaw?
The waves are down.
Natuluyan na nawala.
And I remember Zion.
May kwento lang ako. May,
Aray.
ano kasi, nag-show kami sa 4 Points sa San Fernando, La Union. Kasama ko yung banda. May nag-request,
Na?
medyo may edad na, syempre. Sabi niya, pwede mo mag-request, ano po yun? Rivers of Babylon. Yung banda, ano yun? Ano yun? Sinimulan ko. Kinanta, tinugtog nila, kaya tawanan kami nung sinabi niya Rivers of Babylon. Ayun, alam mo yun ang request? Naiyak.
Sa Rivers of
Oh,
Babylon.
sa Rivers of Babylon.
Mamaalan. Siya din yung nag-request
Siya
na
rin yun eh.
Ha?
Siya po yun. Nag-request
Ikaw ba yung
na.
nag-request? Sumakay din yung daw.
Pero, eto na Ate Veronica, ang nire-request ng VIP, ang Game 2! Sakay din naman si Veronica eh, no? Ate, ito po, A or B. Kasama rin natin magko-concert si Armand Mandapat, ang clone ni Basil Valdez.
Ay,
ang bigay ng may kapal. Tugon sa aking dasal.
Yabang mo naman.
Tinaas pa, bossing.
Oo. A or B? Ang kantang Ikaw ay naging title din ng movie ni na Sharon Cuneta at Nino. A. Ariel Rivera or B. Richard Gomez. A or B? 10 seconds to decide. Timer starts now.
Pupuntahan niyo po.
Ay!
Pupuntahan
Pupunta
niyo.
ka kay Ariel.
Pupuntahan niyo po si Ate
Ariel.
Shawi.
Dito tayo kay Goma.
Ginagawa mo dyan.
Dito tayo kay Goma.
Sabi niya ay letter A.
Ariel daw.
Si Ariel Rivera daw.
Baka
Napanood
Ariel,
mo to?
baka Ariel manalo.
Narinig ko lang po.
Sa
narinig
radyo.
mo na.
Sa radyo daw po.
Oh, galing.
Narinig ko lang po sa mga nanonood din.
So, naniniwala ka.
Okay. Alamin natin kung tama yung nadinig niya. Check or X?
Veronica.
Ariel Rivera.
Veron.
Nako!
What?
Galing.
Pili.
Ariel nga.
Si Riza
Oh,
May
sige.
or si Karen?
May dalawa pa doon. Karen or Riza?
Ay, two.
Ayun yung picture. Ng poster ng picture.
1993.
Ayun nga. Hi, Ate Sharon.
Shout out.
Okay, pili ka na
Mega
doon.
star. Pili po kayo. Sige po.
Si Riza May.
Ah.
The beautiful.
Yay.
The
Grabe.
beautiful Miss
Thank you.
Riza May. May isa pa tayong hahanaping VIP.
One more!
Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day,
You gave it away.
this year, to save me from tears, I
Aba.
Babaeng blonde.
Ito. Foreigner.
Miss Universe
Hi.
Latina.
Come on down.
Halika girl, padaanin niyo siya. Tulak niyo.
Wag mo itulak mo kaya.
Hi.
Anong pangalan?
Ano po pangalan?
Julian.
Julian.
Julian, nandito yung asawa mo.
Hindi, Julian po.
Julian ba? Julian. Taga saan si Julian?
Taga saan po kayo?
Bacau General Trias, Cavite. Pero from Australia.
From Australia.
From Australia.
Mga balikbayan pala to.
Saan po sa
Shout out
Australia?
mo yung mga kasama mo.
Sydney, di ba?
Sydney, yay.
Shout out mo yung mga kasama mo.
Hello! That's my husband and my daughter there.
Hey,
Okay.
hi.
Where's your husband and my daughter there?
Over there, Mama.
Ayun. Julian, what do you do for a living?
Wala lang, hindi.
Si Mr. siguro meron. Sa Australia, no? Anong work ni Mr. sa Australia? Nanood ba kayo ng Itbulaga mo
yeah.
sa Sydney?
Nakita ko
Very
kayo.
good naman.
Nice, nice.
Anong work ni Mr.?
It's a secret, Ma'am Alan.
Sadyang,
He's a stone mason.
What?
Stone mason. Yung naglilinis ng
mason.
ng mga marble tsaka granite.
assault. Anong tawag? Anong pangalan?
Stone
Stone
Mason?
Mason.
Oo.
Taray.
Anong pangalan?
Stone.
Mason.
Oo.
Oh, wow. Galing.
Hindi na ako nakarinig ng ganyang trabaho.
O, Julian.
Mahirap din, no?
Oo, parang doon lang yata yun. Dito wala.
Para ka lang naglalampaso.
Kinikis-kis lang natin yan dito ng ano.
O, Julian,
Brush.
anong kanta ang ipapabahagi mo sa Tabernacle?
Yan! Waltzing
Hindi ako
Matilda.
marunong.
Hindi, marunong ka. Anong kanta? Kahit ano. Kahit ano.
How do I live?
Ano?
How do I live?
How do I live?
Jusera. Hindi ako marunong. Tapos yung kakantahin ang hirap.
How do I live?
live
Armageddon.
without you?
Here we go. Julian from Sydney.
Without you. Come on, everybody.
I want to know, how do I live without you? If you ever go, how do I ever survive?
Tuwang-tuwa yung husband mo.
How do I live?
Diba? Walang Pilipinong hindi marunong kumanta.
Ito na mga Dabarkads, ang Game
3.
Ito, abangan din natin sa concert. Si Dominador Alviola Jr., the clone of Michael Bolton.
Yes or no lang to, ha?
Ikaw ba'y sasayaw sa concert natin?
Yes.
Gigi.
Of course. At abangan nyo po. Abangan nyo po sa December 3.
Ah,
Kung
dance
saan ba?
number.
Abangan nyo po
Sa loob
siya.
ng...
Here we go.
Have I told you lately that I love you? Have I told you there's no one else above you? Fill my heart with gladness, take away all my sadness. Yes, my troubles, that's what to do. There's a love that's defined, and if yours, then it's mine, like the sun. And that's the end of the day. Wish you could fix it right to the one, to the one. Have I told you lately that I love you? Have I told you there's no one else above you? Fill my heart with gladness, take away all my sadness. Yes, my troubles, that's what to do.
Julian, yes or no? May version ba si Michael Bolton ng Have I Told You Lately? Aba, ewan. Sumagot eh. Yes or no? 10 seconds to decide. Timer starts now.
Ay, bilis.
Ay,
Parang sure na sure siya, bossing.
May version ba? Si
Michael Bolton? Are you sure, Julian?
Yes.
May version.
Ako! Ay, wala na.
Ang alam ko kasi si Michael Laigo, eh.
Ay, hindi.
Di ba?
Michael Locsin.
Ha?
May version nga ba si Michael Bolton ng Have I Told You Lately?
Oh, ma.
Check or X? Ang sabi niya ay yes. Meron daw. Meron ba? Meron? Wala!
Bilis mo pumunta dyan. Para akala ko sure na sure mo.
Ang may version, si Rod Stewart.
Yun.
Ang original kumanta
Have I
niya,
told you?
si Van Morrison. Ooh.
Cover lang din pala si Rod Stewart.
Thank you,
Thank
Julian.
you. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you, Julian and Siggy.
Tawagin natin ulit si Marjorie at si Veronica. Alamin natin kung magkakano yung mga tip nyo. Sabay nating buksan. 1, 2, 3! 5,000 si Marjorie, 10,000 si Veronica. Ibig sabihin, si Veronica maglalaro sa bonus round. Thank you, Marjorie.
Thank you, Marjorie. Congratulations, Ate Veronica. At yung 10,000 mo, pwede pa yung madoble at maging 20,000 pesos. Ito na po ang ating bonus round.
Dito sa bonus round, may dalawang concert artist kang pagpipilian. Makinig ka lang mabuti sa mga concert performers natin. Ang unang magko-concert, clone ni Michael Bolton.
I don't know, but I believe that some things are meant to be, and that you make a better every day. I love you. I never thought that dream came true, but you show me that they do. You know that I love something new. Every day I love you. 'Cause I believe that destiny is out of our control. And you never leave until you love with all your heart and soul. If I ask, would you say yes? Together we're the very best. And know that I am truly blessed. Every day I love you.
Ano? Meron pa. Meron pa.
Isa pa!
One more.
Ito na,
May
Ate
next
Veronica.
concert artist pa tayo, di ba, Ray?
Ito na, ang clone ni Steve Perry.
An empty street, an empty house, a hole inside my heart. I'm all alone, the rooms are getting smaller. I wonder how, I wonder why, I wonder where they are. The days we had, the songs we sang together, oh yeah. And oh my love, I'm holding on forever. I'm reaching for the stars that seem so far. So I say a little prayer and hope my dreams will take me there, where the skies are blue, to see you once again, my love. Overseas and coast to coast, to find a place I love the most, where the fields are green, to see you once again, my love.
O, yan na.
Ang tanong! Ay, wala ka na gayon.
Ito na, totoo na to. True or false? Ang mga kinanta ng clone ni Michael Bolton at Steve Perry ay pinasikat ng 90s British boy bands na Boyzone at Westlife. True or false? 10 seconds for the bonus. Timer starts now.
Galingan mo, Biro. Magdodoble yung 10,000 mo.
Ate Veronica,
British.
nanguhula ka lang ba?
British boy bands.
Nagkahulaan na, bossing.
Hula lang.
Oh.
Tingnan natin kung tama yung hula niya. Checo Rex. Mali!
Malaysia!
Hindi kasi British.
Ano?
Filipino.
What?
Irish.
Irish pala. Kababayan pala ni Eunice.
Pero okay lang po yan, Ate Veronica, dahil mag-uwi ka pa rin ng
10,000 pesos! At basta pag nag-close open concert na, may papremyo pa.